Make a great choice today with the 2018 Silverado 2500HD. This pickup truck pulls unlike any other and is priced below $70,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, dual airbags, chrome mirror caps, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.